Have you ever wished for a top-notch mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank? Mechanical keyboards, known for their premium feel and customization, are often accompanied by hefty price tags. However, Keychron C3 Pro is here to change that narrative. Priced at a mere $35, the C3 Pro is a budget-friendly treasure trove that boasts features like single-color backlighting, internal foam, and a gasket mount, making it a formative contender in the budget keyboard market.
Additionally, it offers the option of linear or tactile switches and the invaluable programming capabilities of QMK and GIA.
And despite its budget-friendly nature, the C3 Pro maintains a touch of sophistication. While it may lack the full aluminum case and extravagant rainbow lighting of its pricier counterparts, it still offers a dash of style with its red space enter and escape keys, perfectly complementing the red backlighting. The C3 Pro exudes a subtle gaming vibe with its red LED firelights on both sides, adding a playful touch to your setup. The red backlighting shines through some of the ABS keycaps, which, although not as premium as PVT keycaps, are durable and sport mat-friendly legends for those who prefer a nap layout. This budget model is like a chameleon. Its lighting comes in any color as long as it's red. It offers 14 pre-programmed lighting effects that can be cycled through, and turning them off is as simple as hitting FN plus tab. In terms of design, the C3 Pro includes handy two-stage feet for adjustable typing angles and a thoughtful routing system for the detachable USB-C cable. While the cable may not be braided and is slightly tricky to plug in, once set up, it's a non-issue. Typing on the C3 Pro is a pleasant experience thanks to high-quality stabilizers and the gasket mount, which suspends the main deck in 2 layers of foam, making it quieter than most. The standard TKL layout allows for easy keycat customization, although the switches are soldered in place, limiting extensive modification. What truly sets the C3 Pro apart is its programming flexibility. It can be programmed with the popular open source tools QMK and VIA, a feature rarely seen at this tone price point. Setting up VIA is a bit tricky, but once done, you'll have a versatile keyboard with a standard and function layer for both Windows and Mac configurations. Now here's the plot twist. While a C3 Pro is an incredible deal, it has competition from the G Skill Can 2050, price is $5 higher. The G Skill keyboard, both sides, RGB lighting, PBT put-in keycaps, a rotary volume dial, and hot swap switch sockets. However, it lacks the VIA programming found in the Keychron model, making it a personal preference when choosing between them. In conclusion, Keychron has demonstrated its ability to create top-tier keyboards at affordable prices. The C3 Pro may not have all the bells and whistles of pricier options, but it's a fantastic choice for budget-conscious consumers. So, if you're in the market for an affordable mechanical keyboard, the Keychron C3 Pro might just be your next best friend. And now, a joke to lighten the mood. Why did the keyboard start therapy? Because it had too many issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next, let's start with you.